Hello everyone, this is Haralambos Pissouros, Senior Technical Analyst here at IronFX Global, bringing you the technical updates for August 27th. Today I will update the technical outlook of Euro-Dollar, which fell below 114, completing a failure swing top formation on the 4-hour chart. I would also like to talk about Sterling Dollar, which plunged to eventually hit support slightly below the 154.55 line. So let's begin our treatment with the Euro-Dollar pair. Euro-Dollar tumbled on Wednesday, falling back below the 115 zone, breaking below the 114 hurdle, and reaching the support of 113.10. Then the rate rebounded somewhat. The move below 114 signaled the completion of a failure swing top formation on the 4-hour chart and perhaps turned the short-term bias to the downside. A break below 130.10 could set the stage for extensions towards the 112.10 barrier. The RSI fell below 50, but it rebounded somewhat, while the MACD, although positive, stands well below its trigger line. These indicators support that the pair is possible to trade lower in the near term, but the fact that the RSI has turned somewhat up raises some concerns that further upside bounce could be looming before the next negative leg, perhaps to test the 114 barrier as a resistance this time. As for the broader trend, given that Euro-Dollar is back below 115, I would switch my stance back to neutral. The move below that psychological hurdle confirms that Monday's surge was a false breakout. Therefore, I would like to see another move above 115 before assuming that the overall outlook is positive again. Now let's move on to cable. Sterling dollar collapsed yesterday after falling below the short-term uptrend line drawn from the low of the 7th of August. The plunge was halted by the 154.55 barrier, and subsequently the rate rebounded. Yesterday's plunge has shifted the short-term bias to the downside in my view. But taking a look at our oscillators, and given that the fall was overextended, I would expect the current rebound to continue for a while. The RSI has bottomed and exited its below 30 territory, while the MACD, although negative, shows signs of bottoming. The rate is now headed for a test at the 155.30 hurdle, where a break is likely to confirm the case of further rebound and perhaps target the 155.70 barrier. As for the bigger picture, yesterday's collapse brought the rate back below the 80-day exponential moving average. As a result, I would change my view to neutral as far as the overall outlook of cable is concerned.